Good day, everyone. Learn how to fix Google Chrome sync issues, quick and easy method. It's a step-by-step process. Please make sure you do not skip any step because all the steps are very important. So firstly, we will open the Google Chrome. And once the Google Chrome browser is opened, I'll mention few commands which you can paste it on your address bar and you don't have to type it. So the very first is we need to turn off sync and turn it on again. So I'll paste the command right there, Chrome // settings and then sync. We need to hit enter, and the moment we hit enter, we will have this screen where you have the turn off or turn on the sync. So if it is turned off, you will have an option to turn on. So you just need to turn on and then turn it off. So this is the first method which you need to do. Now the second step is to clear the browsing data. Sometimes due to junk and a lot of temporary files, the sync issues get created. So you need to paste the command Chrome settings clear browsing data and hit enter. And here you can simply select the basic one. You can uncheck browsing history if you wish to. However, cache cookies should be cleared and signs you out of most sites. You will stay signed in your Google account. And cache images and files freeze up. It depends on your computer, on your browser, when was the last time it was cleaned. So here you just need to click on delete and it will start cleaning. So this is the second step which you need to do. Now the third step is to check extensions, and you just need to type Chrome // extensions. I'll mention these commands in the description so that you can copy one by one and see. So you need to check one by one which all extensions you have, and if you do not know what extension, why it is installed, you can always click on details, and if it's not familiar, you can simply remove it. So once you do that, we will move to the next step. And the next step is to reset the. Now, before doing the reset, you need to check whether the syncs is working fine or not. You can simply check, because if you reset your Chrome, it will, reset your settings, extensions, and passwords. So you just need to type Chrome settings and reset, and it will say select restore settings to the default. Now this action will reset some Chrome settings, Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies, and other temporary site data. However, bookmarks, history, and saved passwords won't be affected. So that's really great. You can try that. And the next step is to update the Google Chrome. Yes, it is also very important. So here we just need to check for updates, and how we can check, I'll let you know. So we need to paste a command. It will be Chrome /settings help. And the moment you hit enter, you will have a new screen where you will see the Chrome version, and it will start updating your Google Chrome. Now, once all these steps are done, restart the computer, restart the browser, and check if your sync issues with Google Chrome has been fixed or not. For most of us, all the sync issues as far as Google Chrome is concerned will be fixed. Do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not. And if it helps, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care.